question raised by Sonali is that why do we get affected when others say something about us? Sonali, for sure, you do not ask this question when someone says something good about you, when someone pays you a compliment. This question that why do I get affected when somebody says something about me, this question arises only when somebody says something bad, something hurtful about you. When you are being praised by others, then this question doesn't arise at all. Then why am I getting affected by that praise? And therein lies the catch. Someone comes and tells you that you are brilliant and that you are so willing to take and accept. Not only willing to take and accept, but actually to internalize. Right? Someone tells you that you are brilliant, and that in your mind translates as I am brilliant. See the process, look at what is happening. He said you are brilliant, and that in your mind becomes I am brilliant. Now what has happened? You have become dependent upon that person for your identity. Your sense of yourself is coming from that person. So now you are dependent upon him. You have opened the gates of your mind for him. Now if you have to accept when he says that you are brilliant, you will also have to accept when he says you are stupid, and you will be affected. You are affected by others because everything nice that you know about others has come from others. You have never known it yourself. Everything that you know about yourself, your entire sense of the self is coming from others. It's a borrowed sense. Others have told you that you are a Hindu or a Muslim, and you have taken it and you say, I am a Hindu. Others have given you your beliefs. Others have given you your certificates. And you have internalized those things, and you have started believing that I am that. I am that what? That which the other is telling me to be. Now, it is but obvious that when the same other will tell you that you are a stupid nobody, then you will have to take that, and that will hurt. That will surely hurt. Do not be dependent upon others to know yourself. Do not take your sense of yourself from the society, from the family, or from education, from media, from friends, peers, anybody. Have your own eyes to look at yourself. And anybody and everybody over here who gets affected when someone hurls and abuses at him must know that he is living a borrowed life. The very fact that you get hurt is a proof that you are living a borrowed life. Otherwise, you can't get hurt. The more you feel hurt, the more deeply borrowed your life is, the more second-hand your life is. Otherwise, if I know that this fellow is calling me something, you are Sonali, right? Someone comes to you and says, hi Divya. Will you be hurt? Forget about being hurt. You won't even entertain what the other fellow is saying, because you know for yourself that you are Sonali. When you know surely for yourself, in your own intelligence, then what others say becomes immaterial. Others' words are important only when you do not know yourself. Then you have to depend on others, and others become your masters. Yes.